In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Facebook in Google Chrome. To make this quick and smooth, open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure you're connected to the internet. We'll start by visiting Google. At the very top of Chrome, click into the address bar, type google.com and press enter. If your new tab already shows Google, you're good to go. The address bar also works as a search box, so you can type right there as well. Next, search for Facebook. In the search box, type Facebook and press enter. On the results page, look for the official result that says facebook.com. It should be near the top. Click that result to continue. This helps ensure you're going to the real site and not a lookalike. You can also glance at the lock icon in the address bar to confirm you're on a secure page. On the Facebook results page or the Facebook home page, find and click the option that says log in to Facebook. That link takes you straight to the login screen. Now you'll see two main fields. In the first field, type the email address you use for your Facebook account. In the second field, type your password. Take your time and watch for typos. Passwords are case sensitive. For your privacy, don't enter your details if you're unsure about the page, and never share your credentials with anyone. If you're on a shared or public computer, consider leaving Keep Me Logged In unchecked. Once your email and password are entered, click the Login button. Chrome may ask if you want to save your password. Choose Save if it's your personal device, or Not Now if you're on a shared computer. After a moment, you should land on your Facebook home feed. If Facebook asks for additional verification, such as a code sent to your device, just follow the on-screen prompts to finish signing in. If you can't log in, double-check your email for extra spaces and confirm Caps Lock isn't on. You can also use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset your password securely. And if the page doesn't load, try refreshing the tab or checking your internet connection. That's it. You've successfully logged into Facebook using Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this video if you want to review a step at your own pace.